When I first looked closely at a praying mantis, the first thing I noticed was its eyes. They are not on the sides like most insects, they are facing forward. That immediately made me curious. When I saw both eyes pointing in the same direction, I started thinking about how humans see depth. Because forward facing eyes usually mean both eyes look at the same object. That is how distance is measured. When I read about mantis vision, I was surprised. A praying mantis does not just see light and movement, it actually uses both eyes together. That means it can judge how far its prey is. This is called depth perception. When I imagined what the mantis sees, I realized something important. Each eye sees the same target from a slightly different angle. Inside the mantis brain, those two images are compared. The tiny difference tells the mantis how far away the prey really is. What shocked me was this: scientists actually tested mantis vision using tiny 3D glasses, and the mantis still reacted correctly to distance. So, this is not just a guess. The mantis really sees depth. After learning this, one thing finally made sense to me. A praying mantis does not grab randomly. It calculates space. It knows exactly how far the prey is before it strikes. After I understood how a praying mantis sees, I stopped thinking of insects as simple creatures. This insect does not just detect movement, it sees space, it sees distance, and that is real 3D vision inside a very small brain.